Welcome on my channel. I'm Tanika, my kings and queens, and I hope you like my channel. Subscribe, leave a comment below, give a like if you like this video, and as well you can follow me on Instagram and all kind of social medias under the name Tanika de Koning. Enjoy. Mwah. Peace, peace. This is the box. I like the print. It's pink with gold details, like all those baroque rococo type of thing going on. And there is the name of Boohoo, and it's a big one. And well, it's not sponsored. I bought it with my own money, but I'm gonna try it out because I needed some color, and I will show you. So what do we have in my Boohoo? As you can see already, I have pink. Today I have pink on, as you can see, but I have not a lot of pink in my closet. But lately I'm very much into pink, violet, different type of colors, especially in the summer and spring. It's just a vibrant color, and I love blue. It's my favorite, but I'm lately in different kind of colors, and I have a lot of clothes, but not enough color. So where do we start? This looks more warm, but I still want to start with this one. So what do we have here? I already know what this is, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna show you what this is. But it's a pants, and I think it was high-waisted because I wanted that, and I cannot put it on right now. I need to edit that in times, and I think it will be more like I'm gonna show you what I have trying on, and the things what I keep I can show you, and the other stuff I can sadly not. So I still figure out how I can do this for you the best. Sorry for my bad English. Sometimes my English is pretty well, sometimes very bad, and it's the same with my own language, by the way. And I notice I've still a lot of trouble with my voice. But I'm gonna feel this fabric. At least we can do soft feeling touch and just get a little sneak peek. So this one is out of the bag, and I must say the plastic feels very soft for plastic, you know. Plastic there are different types, so I thought this fabric will be soft as well, but no, this really feels like the plasticky, how do you describe, like a tent. This feels like a tent. Yeah, that's what I can describe. Maybe it's not a problem if I have it on and use it for certain types. I don't know how I will react. The summer is very different. We have lately more warm summers, but I think it fits with the look. It's a sportive, different type what I normally go for. I've always leggings, and again leggings, and for dresses and that kind of stuff. But this is more a sportive, as you can see here on the bottom. They have this kind of stuff. So more what I was, when I was much younger, I was wearing this type of stuff. So in the 90s we had also this type of pants. I remember that. I remember those times. I want to nearly say the good old times, but it depends on the situation, what you think of good or not good. But some were definitely good. I need to try it on. I cannot say how it will look right now. I need to try. I hope that you will be a soft tent, but sadly you're not. But maybe you look cute. Alright, what do we have more? Sorry, my voice. Okay, this one was also something very different because we're going to warmer temperatures. But we have also still rain, and I remember I wanted soft fabrics. I missed soft fabrics in my life, and this on the eye looks very soft. I think also very warm, to be honest. But maybe for the the golder, I say it wrong. For the chilly nights, that's a better word. But I cannot really change my clothes very fast. But this is a nice sweater, maybe for later as well. It looks on the eye, I was looking at, and that pink with that black was really eye-catching. And I was thinking, why not? I'm curious how this feels. Because this plastic feels harder. And on this pants, it feels so soft. So that's why it's misleading. Why the change? I know, it is about the product. So I'm gonna try it. So this is one, and I think this is the closest how you can see it on me. So I have it a little bit over my body, and I have of course pink on, but you can see it's a different kind of pink. It's more purplish pink neon vibes going on, and especially with the black, that makes, just like every color, like blue, greens, and all kind of colors, will pop in extra if you have a darker color underneath it. So let's say black as well. The feelness, how it feels nice and soft, but I don't know the fabric, if it's, some people have really nice a touch for that, and I was more going lately for the looks instead of how the fabric will perform on its own. It was also pretty on the eye anyway. It looks pretty big, as you can see, and this neck is more like a warm neck that I don't know if I will wear that in this warm summer, unless it's on a cold day. Of course I can wear it in the winter time or in the autumn time. I need to think about it. I need to feel, but it's also, I like it, but it's not, it's soft, but it's not that I'm in love. That's soft. Oh, this one is one size, so maybe for some people this will be oversized, and for some people it will be, yeah, maybe fit on. I don't know. That depends really on the person. So yeah, this one calls neon rib chunky roll neck jumper. So okay, we know that right now. So let's see. This is one. This one, that color, that royal blue color, and this turquoise color are one of my favorite colors. And I think this will be something more summer related. Sorry for my English. Summer related. This is, I think, what do I remember? Something on the for the beach or something. That's what I remember. And the color looks very nice. Oh, this is not a bathing suit. Please, oh, you can, you can remove this by yourself, but oh, I like the color. That's packaging. I like that. But what I was saying, this, I think if I feel this fabric, it's, if you want to do a bathing suit type, you can. Anyway, I will do that sometimes. Sometimes I use stuff because my cup size and my body type is sometimes different than standard. I use sometimes other products. Sadly, that's wire in the way. How can I show you? I need more hands, people. I need more help. I'm gonna try, but this is a dress. Maybe I can show you the picture. I need to know. I don't know how to edit that, so I gonna figure that out. But this is a dress with a short dress, strapless. This is the from the bust. Then you have here a little bit of hole, so that is more sexy. You can also, people would do this to parties, and I can see this on a beach party or just in general summer party. Depends on your body type and who you are and how comfortable you are with. Does this feel different? No. The color is very beautiful. That is what I love. and I can wear it as long with the belly. That's what I like. It's very short. Short dresses on me are looking like shirts or blouses, but this will be maybe do for an alternative for a bikini. Hey, it fits nicely with my nails, this one. Or just maybe also as a dress. I don't know yet. I need to figure that out. Let's dive in. Okay, my eye goes to this blue. I already know what this one is. This one I know because this one is for the beach. And this is more like a... I will take it out because I already talk about it. This is like a skirt, you know, what you do over the beach. So if you... yeah, you're done. I think this is always good, you know. You are done or you're still, you like more cover up. You know, depends on you. You can also, of course, do it just in general if you go to a swimming pool. Fits as well. But I like to talk about the beach or the ocean because I love that. I need to go to the ocean so badly. I don't know, I will show you maybe a picture on this one or on when I have it on, maybe. So people that know that, I'm talking with this finger. So that you know that I'm still figuring out how we're gonna edit it because I do all by myself and to be honest I need some more help. So to keep it more beach related, I will go into this and I will take something what catch my eye from the beginning. So there we are. This one. All those colors. I noticed to myself I like prints, but not every print is nice, and especially not on me. Like flowers, I like flower prints, but there you have flower prints and you have flower prints. There's so much difference in that. So that's why I have always in primary color and my leggings are more printed, because the leggings are in a general more, I don't know, I more succeed in that one. But I saw this bikini. I like personally more a push-up because what I already said, I have a bigger cup, a bigger chested, and this is for woman talk, so don't body shame anyone. Please be kind and be. But this one calls Rainbow Snake Halter Bikini. So it is a snake print. Normally I will not go to definitely snake print, but because of all those colors, look at this one. Here you have the green and the orange, and here you get the purple and this one. So this one I want to definitely fit. And I was thinking if I don't like how it will look on me with supporting, supporting the body, because if you are laying down wearing a bikini or dresses or shirts, it always looking different than if you sit or stand. So that keep that in mind as well. So how it looks on me, it will definitely look different on you. But I need always with fashion, yeah, thinking about that as well. How will it look on me when I'm laying down? So these are the bottoms. The bottoms, I have something private going on with my health situation. So that is also always a struggle to find the right bottom for me. I like in high waist, more like supporting for the belly. I don't mind to be a curvy woman, but for bikini, I noticed maybe over maybe this year or next year, maybe it changed. I hope so, by the way. But for now, I like more covering it up a little bit. So I think this was a high waist one, what I remember. But you can see this one really cuts the size. So if I do the skirt over it, maybe it doesn't mind. And especially if I do it a little bit high waist. But I need to figure it out. But I like to print all those colors. So yeah, good job of the coloring. Okay, I was a little bit struggling with this one. Okay, this is the tag. I think this one is up in the front. But this is a little bit the idea of the top. It is more like such a one thing, and you wrap that on your body, and then you do a halter neck like this. So I need to put it on before I can show you. And again, if I cannot show you on my body, then I will try to show it on a picture. So, but this is, I like the fabric. And that was also, I was thinking maybe I can use it on an, if I don't like the support, maybe I can use it for something else. Maybe I can use the fabric for over and push up top that gives more support, or sport bra that gives more support. I'm still figuring it out, but I love the fabric. Look at those colors. This is how I draw, you know, all those details, all those colors. So that's why it's pretty fitting with me. See what we have more. I have here something pink. The pink. I have something orange. It shimmers a little bit. What do we have more colors? Reds. We have still colors going on. Okay, let's going for this pink. Oh, I remember what this is. Okay, I was already laughing. Okay, it looks cute. It is pink. It is, look, this is a kind of mesh that is very open. Then you have the lace going on. So in general, it looks very cute. But I have done what I remember, the biggest size what they had. Yeah, I knew it was revealing. So girls that use cover-ups, you know, maybe. But my body will not fit in this top. I don't know the rest of the body, but the top. Maybe it will fit, but then it will be very small. So I found it funny, but also sad at the same time, because I like, you know, this is texture. This is something different, and this is very cute with combined with a skirt or pants, with the pink pants that I just show you. I had already a look made up in my mind. But this looks so small, but maybe I surprised myself. I think, it fits, looks okay. And on the bottom, yes, this is always what I didn't know in the past. That is years ago, but I didn't know that they had this. I have a very long upper body and very long legs at the same time, so long up front and long legs. And so this is of course in general standard size, so I don't know if they will this fit. Sorry, I'm back. Got problems. Alright. I have chewing gum in my mouth. I am so dry in my mouth and so in my throat as well. And I have done exercising with my voice, but no, today it don't for singing. Okay, but for talking, not really. So sorry that I keep rhyming, but what I what I want to try to say to you, I try to speak with my belly and a little bit higher, so that you hear a little bit of an accent, a little bit overdone accent, so that you know that. And I have that more. Sometimes I have a Hindi accent, sometimes I have an Italiano, sometimes a French accent, and all kind of. So I don't wanna. I respect all your cultures, so if you don't find that, but I have a mixture of all kind of accents sometimes. But sometimes it helps as well to speak. Just like now I do overdone my voice. It a little bit helps, you know. But they have, if the size is not maybe perfect, they have this. That is what was I want to say about this bodysuit. But I gonna try it on? Yeah, I'm gonna try it on because it looks too cute. And yeah. But I think I'm gonna show you the picture, how it will look on the model. Yeah. Okay, the next one is already open. And this is more in my alley. The color on the camera looks a little bit lighter than on in real. In real, this color is like a mixture between red and pink. So it's not red red and it's not pink pink. It's more like just what I was looking for in the lipstick. And you see it in the camera, but I think you see more red. Maybe if I do shadow, no, then it's still more red. So this is a mixture of red. They have a name, of course. Let's see if we can see. This is Night Boohoo. And this is more my type of clothes. I don't know how this feels like what I have more already. They have long sleeves, but I still like long sleeves. If the fabric is not too thick, it's still possible, you know. Okay, how can I show you? They have the v-neck. This type of clothing I have already more, so this is more less, I mean less, not more. This is less out of my comfort zone than normally. But I really love the color. This color will fit me always. Red looks good on me always. And this one was more a mixture between red and pink, so I thought it is cute. I thought it was a little bit brighter, like on the camera maybe more. No, even not even that. A little bit different, but I like the color in real. Sadly, I cannot show you it is very soft, but it doesn't always say it's good, by the way. I notice I've also sometimes nice and soft fabrics, but it is so synthetic that it is still hot. Or still, I have it very fast hot lately. My body type is changing. Sometimes I have it very cold. My body make their own rules than my mind wants. But yeah, I like this. I think I need to. I think this is a good one. Anyway, if the size is good, I think I can definitely show you this one. I guess. Still keep a card behind me because, of course, I don't know yet before I try it. Okay, so I've unboxed the pink one, and this feels very soft. Sadly, you cannot hear my first reaction because I have it not on the standard and my camera is not on. But I was very excited, so I sounded like and that kind of stuff. But I thought thinking this is a pants, but it was not a pants. This is a skirt pants, if you know what I mean. It reminds me of 1001 Nights, Aladdin, Jasmine vibes. They have it sometimes also in blue on websites. I noticed. I want that secretly. I want that. But they have it in. I have this one in pink. And yeah, so it's a skirt, but a sexy, very deep sleeve skirt. So you can wear it over beach stuff, but you can also wear it just like shorts underneath it or whatever you want. And there's the top. It feels very nice and soft, but as I already told you, I don't know if this fits me. The size, the cups are looking bigger, so that is promising. I don't know how it will look laying down on bed. So even if this will fit, I don't know how that will look on bed. But it's in general looking very cute set, and it is a set that you keep and you get and a top and this pretty skirty. Probably have some name, but I try to look it up. But where is the name? Aha. Pink, slinkly bralette and split maxi skirt cohort hot pink. Is it a hot pink? I don't know what this is. This is pretty close into what I wear as a dress, but my dress is a little bit brighter. So this is bright, but also in a real. How I will describe this pink? It's a bright color, but not neon, like neon, really. It's more like, it can also be in blush, but then a very bright blush. I normally know about the coloring, but I don't know how I need to call this. It looks like a nice pink, so let's call that today. And I'm really excited to try this on, especially the skirt, maxi skirt part. How will that look, and how I gonna use that? So let's move on. with a lot of bright colors. And what is this? This is looking pretty dark. Did I order? Oh, wait. I know what this is. They had this one. You don't know what it is, but this one had, they had a beautiful red one and also a pink one, but they always sold out, especially in my size. But I'm a royal blue queen, and this is more night blue, by the way, but I think it still looks very beautiful. I will open it. So this is the thing. I can show you the upfront part, but not the long skirt, but then I need to wear it. It's a long dress. Do they have a name? Of course they have a name. Let's see what this is saying. They call it They Twist Front Plunge Slinky Max dress. So it's a very long dress, and I have sometimes on wish days events, and I really love long dresses and try things on, but I like dresses. And anyway, I must say in this light it's pretty cool, but in real it looks more beautiful in my opinion because it's shiny, but I see on the camera it looks a little bit cheapy shiny, that you see that white, it looks like there's white fibers in it. Maybe there is, but in real it looks here. Now it looks more dark. If I do this. So that's sadly that I cannot show you the real colors and how everything is matching. But there is long sleeves. They have this on the thing. I don't know how I feel about that. But this type of dress is not typically only summer. You can, of course, wearing it on the boulevard. You're walking there. In my case, I'm driving there, laying down on my bed, or the brancard, better say, and yeah, looking fancy for the evening. Well, I will wear it the whole day, but you get my point. You get the image, I think. And it's very long, so I need to. How long is this? I'm very long, so I don't know how it will be for the shorter girls, but for me, long is good. So, yeah. Yeah, sadly I cannot show the color. The color looks very luxurious in real, and on the camera it looks, yeah, if you know what I mean. So, I need to fit this on and hopefully the color will be better. Okay, we have something printed because I was looking for printed. This is flowers with flowers, but because of the combination with this, not too much dimension and details. Yes, normally I'm about details, but with that orange, I thought those colors together in summer with me, it looks very cute and pretty. So, and those colors go very well together. It's a bodysuit, by the way, and I was thinking, what is this black thing going on? But this is the body part underneath it. Maybe it's cuter, to be honest, if it was pink or orange or more fitting color with the up front, but I don't know if you can really see it. I must say the fabric feels very nice, very soft, but of course it is synthetic, I think, before I say something. This one they call Bright Flower Twist Front Long Sleeve Bodysuit. But as you can see, it's a very deep v-neck. I really, really like, really deep. There's a twist. So, I don't mind a cleavage. I don't mind a deep v-neck. Give me some. But, I don't know. If it fits... I cannot even speak anymore. If it fits perfect, if it fits right, then it hugs on your right curves. But with bodysuits, they are, well, I don't have a lot of bodysuits, that's why I don't buy them. But again, I want to go out my comfort zone. And if they fit, and then they look very nice, so yeah. But I think you can wear it as a bathing suit as well, why not? The fabric feels like it can be. I don't know how long it will take with it, if you want to do it very long. I don't know if that is the right thing to do, but if I feel it, it's softer than the other synthetic things that sometimes feel, but yeah, I think it will survive depending how much you're gonna wear it, of course. But that is my guessing. But I'm not a bikini expert about the fabric right now. But that is sometimes my feeling with Boohoo. They have nice stuff, but the synthetic feeling I sometimes have, is one times it get wet or something. I don't really mind. But of course, there's salt in the beach. So I don't know if that's changed. And there's all kind of products in swimming pools as well. So I have no experience with that right now anymore. Only when I was a child. So it looks very cute. That yeah, I like the colors, and I just need to figure it out how it will look on me. Okay, this one is again also more in my alley of what type of stuff. You know, the v-neck, long sleeves, but there is a but. It's orange, so I thought, you know what, it's a different type of color, and I know orange looks cute on me as well. But it isn't type of, how you will say that? It's not orange, it's like a bronze. But it is not bronze. It's really going towards the orange part. But it has a bronze hint on it because I think of the fabric. And it's not hard right now. It has a texture. You need to like that. So that's why it's always important to feel. It feels very synthetic, that I must say. But not like a hard synthetic that you think, ooh. I don't know how with warm weather, how I like this, the inside. Okay, I try to feel, because I like always if people explain how it feels. But yeah, for everyone, it's for experience is different for everyone, of course. But I like if people try to explain. Molly, for example, she's a very good sense with her hands how things feel. So she's going more for the feeling than for how it looks, of course. And I wanna learn that more as well, because I notice I need some, besides bright colors, also nice fabrics. The inside feels a little bit softer than the outside. Out. My English, but my voice hurts so. Yeah, I need a yawn for relaxation of the voice. This one calls plus slinky knot front wrap dress. So it's again wrap. Okay, I don't know. I need to see this on, and especially how it feels, because I sleep in my clothes, not that I want to, but yeah, that's my situation for a very long time now. So it needs to fit nicely also in bed and sleeping and different type of temperatures and circumstances. So I don't know, but it is v-neck, cute, open, cute color. Yeah, maybe it's something. I thought I had just one product on, but these are the last three. This was a long and a lot of stuff already. So we have this pink one. I think I want to end with the pink one. And I was going to this. I opened this one first and I will check this out. I've seen this type of stuff, but I will explain later. So there's the blue one. So this one type of stuff I've seen more. I've seen this in my youth. I've seen this so many times. Normally I don't, as a child I did this kind of stuff, and now I didn't really doing that because I don't know, it was not really my type of thing that I was going towards to. But there's a but. This one is very nice blue. It's like a turquoise bluing, blue vibe going on. So that is very nice. And it feels soft, and I was going of course for fabric wise, and it feels so soft. This is one is not, maybe it's synthetic, I don't know, but it's not feeling like that harsh synthetic or that that you're feeling like hot. This one is a sweater, and I was thinking, what do I need to do? I was thinking because I want to do more crop tops and more tops, maybe it's cute to do something over it, you know, just like doing what you do normally over bikini, that you have something to do over it. I have something else, but that is black, and I don't know if I'm gonna wear it really. If I'm not gonna wear it, I need to do it away. But I do my hand in it, and you can see it's all kind of with each other, and you know, this one fit with pink, blue, green, with so much color, white, and as well. You know, this is a color that fits with so many stuff and so many skin tones. I'm a very white, fair skin tone with pink tones in it, and blue is just my color to go to. And I must say it feels very nice and soft. So if you're maybe interested in this one, I need to how it looks on me, because sometimes when I was a child I could have a lot of stuff. But sometimes I think if I look at this, I think maybe it looks too old on me, especially if you don't style your hair cute or something, but just let it loose like I do a lot of things. I don't know how it will be. But they call it crochet long sleeve beach cover up, or they call it also beach cover up. Well, I think you can wear this definitely as a cover up for the beach. That was also what I was thinking. Crop tops, beach, that kind of stuff. But this is the sweater of, well, they call it the crop of cover up, but they have also a other the same fabric, same color, but another type, more like a vest, if you know what I mean. So you can look it up if you're interested. So yeah, maybe this is something to cover up if I want to. So this is the, well, I have two products over, and this one is looking on the camera a little bit more pink, but this is more purple. And this is like a silk. I felt to the silk and it feels synthetic. So it's synthetic silk, definitely. But it's not the hardest. You have even harder silk, synthetic silk, that you think, I don't know. But you have also softer. You have way softer silks, and I love the soft one. This one is in between. It's not harsh, but it is also not very soft. And also if you wash it and wear it a lot, then fabric chains, of course, they will, what they call it, what's the name, they call it satin rushed skirt dress. Oh, okay. Well, they have, yeah, it's like a blouse going on. I was forgotten that they have this. This feels pretty harsh in my neck, and I'm laying down on my pillow, of course. So maybe I have problems with it, maybe not. Then they have a long sleeve, just like a blouse as well. A blouse. Do I say blouse? Sorry, I get a little bit confused what I'm saying right now. So then you have a belt. You can tie it your waist. That's always a good thing. Give your body that hourglass shape if you want to. And what I noticed, they have a shape pattern in this. Let's see, there is here a thing going on, but you can only really see it if I have it on, or a model. Maybe I need to show the picture of this one as well, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna do that. But yes, you can see as well, they have also a lot of wrinkles. So with an iron, very gently, you can put it out of it. But be careful with the heat, of course. So if you are young, ask your parents please to help you, or give at least advice. Yeah, I like it, but I need to put it on and how I feel about it, because it's synthetic. Anyway, it feels synthetic. So, but it's something different. It is something that can be fit on me because I like the look, but it can also be Hit and a miss. I don't know yet. Let's try it. I don't get be fooled by you fabric. Plastic, I mean. This plastic feels again softer than like this one or some others. So, and I see again pink. And I think, oh, this feels nice soft, but it is the plastic. So I really need to figure this out. If this, what is will, how it will feel. Yes, yes, and again yes. The fabric color. Let's talk about the color. In real life, it looks a little bit more because of the light here, vibrant, but it looks pretty close. This one is very vibrant, very and happy color, very happy pink, I will say. But I will do the test of the fabric. It's not the softest. It's not like it's pretty rough. It can be rougher, but it's not the softest. The inside. Let's try the inside because you feel that on your legs. I don't know, but the look is so cute. It's like well, they have a name, of course. Basic scuba skate skirt hot pink, and it's indeed a skater model. And like literally, I will show, and I gonna throw. Sorry, I wanna say so much in a short time that I ramble and get stuck over my own words. I keep quiet and just try to show you. Can you see it? It's so hard to show you. I need a hand. I need someone that have the camera. I need someone that holds the the clothes and stuff. I need people. But anyway, this is the nice skater dress, and I tried to put it on and maybe show a picture as well because this skirt is too cute to not to show you how it is. I hope it fits me, and yeah, because this one is a very nice summer skirt. Yeah, this is definitely a definition of a nice summer skirt. And I hope the fabric is doable, not too scratchy or something. It's okay. It's not too harsh, but I need to try it on. Hello, I hope you liked the video. I will edit it over time. I'm very tired, but I hope you like that I try it out. In the future, I want to have people that will help me and the quality of the videos will better. And yeah, like art I can do by myself, but the other stuff what I'm trying out now is harder. Oh, this look already better. So, to the future, my kings and queens, and this is something else. So I'm like fashion as well. So that's why I'm showing you. Till the next time.